Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm here at Coimbatore International Airport and let me tell you it looks absolutely stunning. In celebration of our 76th Republic Day, the entire airport is glowing with tricolor lights and it is the sight you don't want to miss. Let's explore. Look at this amazing display. The entire airport is lit up with saffron, white and green, representing the colors of our national flag. Doesn't it fill your heart with pride and joy? It's like the airport itself is saluting our nation. Even the pathways are decorated with LED lights in tricolor themes. Gee, it's so creative and welcoming. As soon as you step out of your car or cab, you're greeted with these lights that remind you of the Republic Day spirit. It reminds us of January 26, 1950, when our constitution came into force, making India a democratic and republic country. Do you know what is a constitution? It is a big book of rules that tells us how to run our country. It gives us rights like freedom, equality and justice. It was written by a very wise people like Dr. B.R. Ambedkar, who was known as the father of the India Constitution. Republic Day is not just about celebrating rules or laws. It is also the day to remember our brave soldiers and freedom fighters who made our country feel safe and free. On this day in New Delhi, there is a big parade at Kartavya Path. Soldiers march. Colorful tableaus from all states are shown. Even aeroplanes fly in the sky to display our strength and unity. Thank you friends for watching, and as always, just keep swimming.